What up, you guys? I'm following my friend, the young entrepreneur's advice, putting on a hat with this head strap, and I look kind of normal now, but we're gonna go pack up some stuff, and I'm bringing you guys along. So we sold these Timberlands right here on GOAT for, I believe, $140. Picked these up for $70 plus tax at Ross. Get that Rolo action real quick. Gotta love it, guys. But we're gonna pack these up. So get the bubble wrap. Believe it's gonna need 3. 1, 2, 3. Put one like that. Put the other like this. Oh dang. Barely. You know, we're gonna go with barely and stick it like that. We're gonna have to make this box a little big. I'm gonna go with this shoe box because it's a little wider than most shoe boxes. So I'm gonna use this as my guide. How's your day going, you guys? Let me know down below in the comment section. As of now, my day's going pretty good. I just woke up and I got these 3 orders from yesterday, so we're just down here packing them up, recording this YouTube video for you guys. I still haven't uploaded my first video of me packing stuff, but I'm gonna start doing more videos like this where I'm breaking down the numbers of the shoes and what I sold, and that's it, and me packing them. I hope that is of any interest to whoever watches these kind of videos. If you guys aren't really into this kind of stuff, sorry, I'm gonna start posting more stuff like this. And if you do like it, then you're gonna like my videos. Oh, bro. Oh, barely fit. We're gonna use hold on. Get our GOAT slip. Stuff this guy in there. I thought that was not gonna fit. That was a sloppy tape job, but whatever. So we're gonna wrap this up. It's gonna take some time, so I'm just gonna stop recording and then go on to the next shoot. I'm also gonna tell you how much money I made on these, so let me get the numbers down real quick. So I broke down the numbers. I paid $75.60 for these at Ross, and they sold on GOAT for $140. After fees, I make $41.90, so not too bad. I believe that's like around 60% ROI, so that's pretty good. I try to aim for 40 and above. That fits my profit margins. Just like that, we got this wrap. Slap the shipping label on it, and then no, I'm not gonna slap the shipping label on it. I'm gonna grab the other shoes that we sold. We sold some Huaraches. Sold these for $50 on Mercari. So gonna get our 2 pieces of bubble wrap. And yeah, I picked these up at Goodwill for $6.48. $6, and plus tax is 48 cents. So write our thank you note. Let's see. The person who purchased this name is Kelly, and these shoes are going to Ohio. 2 pounds, my guess. 1 pound 7 ounces rounds out to 2 pounds, so close enough. Get this Rolo action, baby. So off of those Huaraches we just packed up, we made $28.53. You know, gotta love the margins on used shoes, especially Nikes and Huaraches. I do really well with those all the time, so yeah. And so right now we're gonna get some. The last pair of shoes that we sold were some Nike React Flyknits that I've had for a while. Not a while, a couple of months. Bought these at Marshall's, as you guys can see, for $40, and we sold them on eBay for $50. I mean, 50 for $110. That's what our profit might be, around $50. That's a guess. I'm not sure, but we'll see once we break the numbers down. Sorry you guys, not 110, 105. These are pretty nice and they were my size, but I don't wear blue like that, so I passed on them. Perfect fit. Thank you note. £3. Just over 2 pounds. So, wow. Well, it happens. I'm gonna put a piece of tape over this right here. I cut it a little too hard. That's why in the first video I made, I told you guys, you know, you don't want to indent too hard with scissors and stuff, because it can possibly break the box like I kind of did right here. But the rest should be fine. Yeah. So let's go break down the numbers and I'll let you know how much I made on these. Rolo baby, last one. Alright. Profit we made on this was $52.44. A little over, but you know, I'm not complaining of what my estimate of $50 profit on these. So gotta love the no eBay fees, and this is not going too far. It's going to Texas, so shipping was only $9. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video where, you know, I'm just packing, chilling, talking to you guys a little bit. Let me know what I can improve on these videos if you guys have any suggestions. We're gonna try to pack this up as quick as possible. I'm not gonna get anything out, so we're gonna do a speed pack like I said. Usually have my pin here. Where's my pen? Bro. Where is my pen? Well, we don't have a pen, so we're just gonna use a Sharpie. So, starting at 9:36. Black Nike shirt, running. I know this particular particular piece of clothing is shiny, so we sold this for $70 or $60. Does it have a tag on it still? Just gotta make sure, precautions. I'm gonna fold this bad boy up. Okay, let's get this into a poly bag. Get the air out. Okay, we're gonna get the bag, we're gonna send it in. Stick our thank you letter in there. Gonna weigh it. We're gonna go with 7 ounces just to be safe. I'm gonna break the numbers down, show you guys how much I made on this. We bought it for $21.60. We sold it for $60. $26.51 on this Nike running jacket. That's pretty great profit right there. Gonna get this Rolo action real quick. This took a little longer because I had to calculate it, but it took us 5 minutes to package this. I'm gonna slap the shipping label on here. Gonna throw our product inside. Here's the freaking pen. Oh my god. Maybe it would have taken less if I didn't have to do all the calculations and stuff. Thank you for, you know, taking the time out of your day to watch this video, watching until the very end. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that nice stuff. It really helps out the channel and helps other people see these types of videos. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.